Jennifer.
I already like messed up my Hey y'all.
Oh, wait. I was fixing my boobs.
Should
Should we do one more?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let's start from the bottom. Hi guys, I'm Jenny, and this is. Hi.
Hey,
oh my gosh, you guys. I'm done. Okay, sorry.
Like, you want to know how I get energy like this?
Yeah. We're gonna show you. I think that might be cute. Okay, hopefully. One more time.
Yeah, one more time.
Hi.
I'm Kimmy.
And I'm Jenny.
And you want to know how you get energy like this?
We finna show you
We're about to make balls of energy.
Let's get started. Step 1, we'll grab a food processor. Nice. We'll grab a cup of dates. So good. So good.
And she missed the processor.
We'll grab a half a cup of cashews. Cashews, what it do? Okay, let's get the cashews everywhere. Third, we'll grab 1/4 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes.
Woo!
Delicious. Then we'll grab the top of the food processor. Not that piece. What? This piece. Found it. We're good. We will seal the deal. Nice. Okay. And bring that
the very top?
on. Yes. Ready. I think it's so good. That should be good. We'll take that off for a second. Add in, let me take this off, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Yes. And then we will get a 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Just a little, this one. That was so loud. Like, why? 1/4 teaspoon.
And a 1/4 and a drop.
Yes, that was a little extra. But we are extra, so that's okay.
Perfect.
We will add the top back onto for a few more seconds. Let's take the top off.
Eventually. Eventually we'll take the top off. Let me get out of
my gosh.
Hey, listen. I was thinking you like do that. Alright folks, this is where it gets real. Real ugly.
Grab a bowl next. Pour the mixture.
Slam it down. No, I'm just kidding.
Sorry. And
she got it with the assist.
We're going to add 2 tablespoons of dairy-free chocolate chip.
Your fave.
And we're gonna mix that in to our dates.
Mix it all together.
I feel like this is the wrong spoon to use, but that's okay.
Whatever gets the job done.
Yeah.
Might not be pretty.
Oh gosh. Okay. Ooh, didn't see that.
We don't waste. Or do we?
I almost dropped that. Next, let's grab a plate. So, grab a spoonful. Grab it. Nice. And we're gonna roll.
Roll it up.
Nice.
Perfect.
And then we will freeze for 30 minutes. Yay,
Ooh.
yummy. And what they will look like.
Hot in it. And now you eat them.
Try it.
And they give you.
Yes. Ready?
Set.
Yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Can you?
And test. Cheers. Cheers. Mmm.
Tasty.
That's good. Did you hear that? Our special guest is Bento. Okay, I think that's it for today.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome.